The Rheem EcoNet Thermostat is a Wi-Fi enabled smart device that sometimes displays a not responding message, preventing remote control via the app. This often indicates a disruption in its Wi-Fi connection to Rheem's servers. This isn't always a hardware failure. We will explore the root causes and how to resolve them. Several factors can cause EcoNet to lose connection. Weak Wi-Fi signal is a primary culprit. Interference from other devices or distance from the router can weaken the signal. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. Power fluctuations can also temporarily disrupt the connection. Finally, occasional server-side outages at Rheem can occur. We will cover each of these in more detail. Weak Wi-Fi signal is a primary culprit. Interference from other devices or distance from the router can weaken the signal. Interference from household devices like microwaves or cordless phones can disrupt the Wi-Fi signal. Distance from the router and poor placement can significantly weaken the signal strength. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues and prevent proper connectivity. Power fluctuations can temporarily disrupt the thermostat's connection. Occasional server-side outages at Rheem can cause connectivity problems. Let's start with the quickest solutions. First, check your Wi-Fi signal strength near the thermostat. Aim for at least -50 dBm for reliable connectivity. Next, ensure your thermostat has power. It requires a C-wire for full function. A simple reset can often resolve temporary glitches. Hold the power button on the thermostat for 10 seconds to reset it. After the reset, see if it reconnects. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to advanced steps. First, update the thermostat's firmware through the EcoNet app. A stable internet connection is essential for this process. Next, verify your network settings. Check that your Wi-Fi signal strength is strong enough, aiming for -50 dBm or better. Ensure your router isn't overloaded and the thermostat is within range. Consider switching to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, which experiences less interference than the 2.4 GHz band. This can provide a more stable connection for your thermostat. If your router is far away, consider installing a Wi-Fi range extender to boost the signal. This device amplifies your existing Wi-Fi signal, extending coverage and reducing dead zones in your home. Rheem has actively addressed connectivity issues through updates. Ensure your EcoNet thermostat has firmware version 4.2.1 or later. This update includes automatic reconnection protocols and better error logging. Also, use the latest version of the EcoNet app, iOS or Android 3.8 or higher. The updated app includes a built-in diagnostic tool that can prompt you to reset the thermostat or check network settings. EcoNet thermostats integrate with popular smart home ecosystems like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. This integration enables alternative control methods when the EcoNet app isn't responding. Here are the supported platforms: Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. You can control your thermostat using voice commands or their respective apps. If your thermostat isn't responding through the EcoNet app, try controlling it via these platforms. For example, say, Alexa, set the thermostat to 72 degrees, or use the Google Home or HomeKit apps. This can bypass app-specific issues. If control works via a third-party platform, this confirms connectivity and that the problem lies with the app rather than network connectivity or the thermostat itself. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your EcoNet thermostat remains unresponsive, it's time to contact Rheem support. They can run remote diagnostics to identify underlying issues and provide further guidance. Before contacting support, gather information about your thermostat model, firmware version, and network setup to expedite the process. Be prepared to describe the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. The future of smart thermostats includes AI-driven diagnostics. The EcoNet app may soon use machine learning to predict and preempt connectivity issues. Rheem plans to incorporate mesh Wi-Fi support and offline caching in future models. Future models will include offline caching for limited functionality without internet. Predictive maintenance will become more prevalent, where thermostats self-diagnose issues and alert users, reducing the frequency of not responding errors.